prijatelj rubrike All Timer, OMV, energija za bolji život. U rubrici All Timer vraćamo se u moju omiljenu dekadu, 50. godine 20. veka, a rock'n'roll vratio se u austrijsko mesto Fürstenfeld. A ima tu i automobila.
Ready rock and roll!
Yeah, hello my friends. My name is Dancho. Welcome to Hell's Barbecue Mafia, live here on Shaking Barbecue in Fürstenfeld. I hope you enjoy my show. We accompanied the greatest rock and roll rockabilly crowd with the greatest acts from all around the world, with our great barbecue, shopping stores, US cars. Yeah, I hope we see you soon. Bye.
Ukoliko postoji automobil koji je totalni rock'n'roll, onda je to ovo. Pontiac Starchief iz 1957. godine. Jürgen ili ti, Jay Lee je vlasnik ovog automobila, pa da čujemo tehničke karakteristike.
Ja. Motorisiert ist das Fahrzeug mit einem V8-Motor, 5,7 Liter Hubraum, ca. 270 PS und der Highspeed bewegt sich so ca. bei 130 km/h.
Grupa koja je pre bezmalo 40 godina, 1983. donela izvorni rockabilly u Jugoslaviju je sa nama. Matchboxi. Gospodine Scott, Mr. Scott, what is the secret for staying together almost 40 years?
We hate each other.
Oh.
We don't socialise. We get together to do gigs. We're happy. Fantastic audiences. Then we go home.
Come on, boy, pants in the wood. All the shit on the good. Should go in the Cadillac with all the money in the bank. Pants in the wood. Pants in the wood.
So, Mr. Fenton, what is your favorite 50s car?
This Pontiac here, right here.
Takođe, ovde je na delu automobil koji je izuzetan raritet.
Das Auto wurde ca. 7500 Mal nur gebaut. Also in Österreich, Schweiz, Deutschland habe ich mich informiert, ist das ein Einzelstück. Ja? Diese Limousine gibt es halt nur ein einziges Mal. In diesem Zustand.
Over the years, I've had several of them. I've had a Cadillac, I've had a Camaro, like that one. I've had a Chevrolet Impala, and several others. You know, I can't remember all of them. Many classic British cars, too.
Marie, Marie. Near the top, on the back, she's in my car. While she's singing, so simple, Marie, Marie. Marie, Marie. It's so lonely to be someone who's coming with me.
Već sam rekao da je ovaj automobil totalni rock'n'roll. Saznaćemo kako.
Ja, das Fahrzeug ist ein Tribute to Jerry Lee Lewis. Ich selber versuche zu singen und am Piano zu spielen, darum ein Tribute to Jerry Lee Lewis.
Wow, my friends are above the blues, I must be going round. All my friends above the blues, I must be going round. I still love my baby, I must be ready bound.
Seine Schwester Linda G. Lewis, ein großer Star, hat das Auto unterschrieben, weil sie mein Gast war im Auto. Und auch die Motorhaube, unter der Motorhaube wurden viele Teile verbaut, direkt aus Sun Record Studio down in Memphis, Tennessee. Und wir haben Luftfilterkasten, wir haben Unterschriften bekommen von denen und sämtliche, alles kleine Accessoires für das Leben des Rock'n'Roll.
So, Jimmy, How to be a rockabilly rebel in the 21st century? What's the recipe?
The recipe is don't get married, get a haircut, get a dress and form a band.
Mama don't like it, the way I throw my hair. Papa thinks I'm crazy, and the clothes I wear. Chicago records, I played all day. But I'm what I am, I wanna keep a rockin' that way. I'm rockabilly rebel, from head to toe. I gotta keep a rockin' everywhere I go. Everybody join us, it's a good company. Be a real cool cat, be a rockabilly rebel like me.